Hi guys, this is the Ginger Fan Man 92 here, coming back to you today with another ceiling fan video. And what you see here is a 52-inch Alaska GE vent ceiling fan with cane. As you see, it has a schoolhouse globe, and it is electrically reversible, and it has GE vents with a filigree sideband, or however you pronounce that. Anyways, small little backstory on how I got this fan. I was at Habitat a few days ago, and I was just looking at the fans, and I noticed a GE vent. I was like, what kind of GE vent could this be? And then I noticed the blades, and I was like, oh, it's an Alaska. These are pretty good fans for what they are. I'm not entirely sure who sold Alaska fans. I believe it was Kmart. So if anybody wants to correct me or inform me, please drop a comment below in the comments. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get this started. Take a gander at the fan. Got nice little cane blades here. And I believe the date tag is up here. And this fan, I believe, dates to 1986. I'm not entirely sure what quarter of 1986. I may be leaning towards January from what another collector has told me, but I'm not 100% on that, not 100% on how you read these dates either. But we're gonna go ahead and get this started. We're gonna start off here with the light. Nice little schoolhouse globe, nice bright light. I'm using an LED bulb inside this. And now for the fan demo, we're gonna start off on low. As you see, these fans, I believe, go low, medium, high. Kind of similar to Casablanca on how they do their fans. But it's definitely a nice fan for sure. It's got the classic 80s look with the cane and the GE vents. And one notable feature to this one, it has pretzel arms, which I think is really cool. So we got a nice, good little low speed going on here. Let's go ahead and crank this bad boy up to medium. Definitely feel a little bit of an airflow coming from this thing. Nice and quiet too, especially for its age. You don't hear no hum or anything like that, which is always a plus. Sorry about that, had to adjust here. And now we're gonna go crank this sucker up to full blast. Got a little bit of a wobble going on here, but that's because it looks like one of the blades is a little warped. So it's definitely shakes a little bit on high speed, but man, you can feel the airflow out of this thing. I mean, this thing's flying pretty much, but definitely blowing some stuff around on my table. I'm blowing the blinds around a little bit. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and do off and see what she does coasting. I do like the pull chain sequence on these fans, how they go low, medium, high. I think that's a pretty noteworthy feature of that. But definitely love the looks of these fans. It's very classic, old-timey look. And I believe these fans also came with stencil blades as well as plain blades. I'm not 100% on that, but it's definitely, like I said, definitely a cool fan. Especially for $5. Can't beat that. You can definitely see which one of the blades is a little bent, if you notice very closely, like I am. Now, I've not seen too many of these fans out in the wild. I've seen the stencil ones in the 42-inch variant, similar to this looking fan, with the G vents and the pretzel arms. My buddy that lives in Virginia has a 42-inch variant of this style fan, and it has, I believe, stencil blades on the other side, but I'm not 100%. His dad had found it, I believe, at Habitat and ended up putting it in his house currently. So definitely these kind of fans do hold a small piece of memory for me, even though it's the 42-inch one. But I'm definitely glad I own a 52-inch Alaska GE vent fan. I'm not entirely sure what model number this is. I'm definitely going to have to take a look at the motor tag whenever I do take this down. But anyways, I'm not going to be doing reverse on this fan. I'm just showing the normal demonstration mode. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to the channel. And another thing I'm thinking about doing, if you guys like it, is going from the Ginger Fan Man 92 to Ty Guy the Fan Guy. It was something that was kind of brought to my attention, and it has a nice ring to it. But tell me in the comments what you guys think. Anyways, y'all have a great day. Take care.